Welcome to Hostrare cPanel series tutorial. Our today's topic is repair table data in phpmyadmin in live cPanel server. Sometimes you have to repair your table data. To do that, you have to go to phpmyadmin from your cPanel and select your database and select your specific table you want to repair. This table I want to repair. Sometimes when data is very big, then we have to repair the table data. To do that, I have to click on the database first and select the specific table and click on this drop down menu and click on repair table, and table repair is done. You see the repair message here, repair status here, and the table name with the database name. It's confirming that table repair is done. But when your database is used, then you must have to take a backup before repairing your table. It's a caution, so be careful and do this way. Thank you very much. Bye.